Hello viewer, thank you for stopping by on my channel today. In this video I'm going to show how to make sunburn facial cream for those of you that requested that I should make sunburn facial cream. So watch this video to the end. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please press the red subscription button down below and turn on your notification bell so you will be updated anytime I post something new. Quickly, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Okay, these are the ingredients I'm going to use. I'm just using few ingredients. Here is Emos sunblock cream with vitamin C. This is a good facial cream for sunburn, so I'm going to be using all of it. I'm going to empty everything inside my plate. I'll be using 1 Emos white. Always remember that the measurement you use depends on the quantity you want to make. So I'm going to be using all this. After adding my Emos white, this is Infinite Clear face cream. This is a dark spot remover 7 days action with carrot oil. Infinite Clear targets specific areas like elbows, fingers, knees. Dark spots are quickly blurred away and complexion reunified. Infinite Clear can also be used alone to treat dark spots, but I just wanted to add it with Emos white. You can also use Carovate face cream if you see one. So I'll be using half of Infinite Clear. Now the next ingredient I'll be adding is Santad whitening lotion. I'll be adding half tablespoon of this into the sunburn face cream. And lastly, this is a miracle powder. This is a legendary healer. It's very good in curing burns, black spots, pimples, black knuckles, brown patches, stretch mark, and aftershave. So I'll be adding very little of miracle powder. I'll be adding very small into the mixture. Now, after adding the last ingredient, which is miracle powder, you have to stir the face cream properly. Make sure that all the ingredients mix very well before using it on your face. This sunburn face cream is very good, especially when used with a good facial cleanser, with a good sunburn facial cleanser. If you find this video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share this video, and drop your comments down below. Thank you.